Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to sort photos by date in iPhone. Let's go. iPhone allows you to organize and curate your photo library the way you want. With the Photos app on iPhone, you can easily reorder individual photos as well as entire albums. Whether you want to feature select photos more prominently or arrange pictures chronologically. First of all, open up the Photos app on your iPhone. Then go over to your albums. Now, if you want to sort these photos by date, just tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Sort. After that, go ahead and select how you want to sort these photos. You can sort them by oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So this is exactly how you can sort photos by date on your iPhone. Are you tired of scrolling through hundreds of photos to find the right one? This video will surely help you. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.